thousands of birds have been culled to stop an outbreak of bird flu as the public were warned to stay away from. A highly pathogenic strain was found at a Scottish farm in Glenrothes, Fife after death rates among the birds soared. The entire flock of 14,000 birds was culled to prevent a viral epidemic while restrictions have been imposed on the local sale of poultry, eggs and manure. The Scottish government say the health risk to humans from the H5N1 virus remains very low, but they urged the public to stay away from any dead birds and report any sightings. This included all game birds that are hunted for sport, like duck, geese, pheasants or bird keepers have also been warned to not allow birds to mix in order to help stop any potential flare-up of the new virus. Experts are wary of the H5N1 strain as it is capable of causing severe disease to humans and is believed to have a mortality rate of 60%, according to the World Health Organization. But the virus does not spread to humans easily and human-to-human transmission is also unusual. Scottish Environment Minister Ben Macpherson said, "Following this confirmation, I have put in place controls required under domestic and EU legislation that will help control any further spread of the disease in the surrounding area. We ask that the public remain vigilant and report any findings of dead wild birds. People should not handle the birds." Scotland's Chief Veterinary Officer Sheila Voas said, "This highly pathogenic strain of avian influenza, H5N1, has been confirmed on a farm of approximately 14,000 mixed game birds with high mortality in the lab. All remaining birds are being humanely culled for disease control purposes. It is vital that keepers take steps to improve their biosecurity and protect their birds from disease. Keepers who are concerned about the health or welfare of their flock should seek veterinary advice immediately. Your private vet, or your local animal and plant health agency office, will also be able to practice